Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today I have a new company to share with you. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try some of their products and to share them with you. And of course, you know me, I love to try new things, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. The company's name is called CoBeads, CoBeads, and I will put the link in the description box below. They have a website full of really awesome craft supplies. What a great variety. They have, beads, of course, and paper crafting supplies and all sorts of different supplies. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised if you check out their website. They also gave me a coupon code for 3% off of your order, and I will put that in the description box below as well. I believe they do ship worldwide, and they are having a big annual promotion right now. So check out the website to see what their specials are. They do change frequently. So they let me go on their website and choose several items. So I had a really good time shopping. They have so much, I didn't even know what to get. But wait till you see some of the things I got. These are going to be so much fun to use. So this is the package. It was wrapped in bubble wrap and a really big package. And I will show you some of the smaller things first. So first we have some jewelry making findings that I thought would be really cool for cards. There are these filigree star pendants. They show up on the white there really good. They would make great earrings. They have a little hole at the top. And I think there are 5 in the pack. They're flat, so I thought they would go great on cards. And they are metal. They have like a blue and a purple and a pink. Such beautiful, beautiful colors. They remind me of that paint. That morphing paint that you see on cars and stuff that goes from that green to purple. That's what they remind me of. They are absolutely beautiful. So we have that. And then I'm so excited for these. These are butterflies. And they're a little bit bigger than the stars, but they're that same type of metal. Look at how beautiful that is. I think there you can kind of see some of the color shifting. That's the front, and then you have the back. I love them, and there are 1, 2, 3, there's 5 of those as well, but they are so beautiful. See, this one here looks a little more yellow and pink. They're absolutely beautiful. These will be very nice to use on cards, and you can also, they have some holes in them, so you can also use them as a charm if you were making jewelry. These were with the jewelry making supplies on the website. And I will put links to everything below. And then we'll go to some of my very favorite type of items. We have glitter paper. So exciting. You know I love glitter paper in my card making. This is so pretty. This is A4, 10 colors, 10 sheets. And I know the camera is just not doing it justice. This is a beautiful piece of like a fuchsia. Then we have this gray or gunmetal color and a pink and a beautiful sparkly red that would be great for Christmas cards, and a blue, really, really stunning silver, and a gold, and of course my favorite color, purple. Now this looks kind of blue on camera, but it is a beautiful purple. Then a rose gold, and this green. The green really shows up good on the camera. This is gorgeous. It is a good thick weight cardstock. It has no fallout. It does have a slightly rough surface, but there is no glitter fallout, and it's not sharp at all. And this measures 11 and a half, well, about 11 and 3/4 by 8 1/4. So this would be good for card making, and they are a pretty good heavyweight cardstock. It's white on the back. These will be shown in upcoming card projects for sure. And then going along with that theme, I couldn't resist. I had to get some of this. This was a self-adhesive glitter paper, they called it, but it looks to me like it is a foam. Yeah, it is glitter foam. And it is, as you can see, it is amazingly glittery. And that's how thick it is. And there really isn't any glitter fallout on these. Now this is rougher than the paper, but it is beautiful. So we have red and gold, and the pink, and my favorite color, the purple. Oh, that is so beautiful. This is a darker gold. I have the two different shades of the gold and the black. That silver is amazing. And then we have white. It has a bit of a greenish blue glitter in it. And this beautiful green, it's like a chunky glitter. So pretty. And then the blue. So beautiful. And these measure maybe 11 7/8, almost 12 inches by 8 inches. And they are very lightweight. They are foamy though, kind of like a little piece of fun foam in a way. They are self-adhesive, I believe. Yeah. And the back's pretty sticky, and then you can kind of see how thick that is, maybe about a 1/16 of an inch thick. But it's very lightweight, so it would be good on cards. I want to try die cutting it to see how it goes through the die cutter. We'll have to see. And there are There are 10 sheets, but you don't get one pack. Nope. One pack is not enough. You get 3 packs. So I have 2 more packs. So these are going to be so much fun to play with. And like I said, there really is not any glitter fallout on my desk. Maybe just 2 or 3 little tiny pieces of glitter, but that's about it. So I don't think I consider that to be glitter fallout. As you can see, my black desk has no glitter on it. And then I think my favorite item, not that the glitter paper is not my favorite item. If you know me, you guys know I love glitter. They have a lot of diamond painting things and kits. And I went ahead and got this because this is different. I've never done anything quite like this. You know, I made keychains and stickers and a clock, but this one is awesome. This is so cool. And this pack comes with 2 of the same thing. So let's open it up and see what it is. I'm so excited for this. Let's see. There we have the back. It says 2021 and recyclable. It has handles. And then here's the front. It is a flamingo that you diamond paint on this tote bag. How awesome is that? I use recyclable bags when I go to the store. I shop at Aldi most of the time, and I use these bags, and this is awesome. So it's just a regular tote bag. There's the width, and this tote bag measures about 12 inches by 14 inches. And like the gussets are about 3.5 inches wide. It's not a huge bag, but it's great. I think it would be great to put heavier items in. I don't like my bags to be too big anyway, because then they get too heavy. So the back is just this. There's no diamond painting on the back. But the front is this beautiful flamingo. It's got pineapples and flowers and ferns. And then here is your kit of diamonds, or drills they call them. It's not really diamonds. They're plastic faceted pieces or gems. And diamond painting kits always come with a pen and a little tray. This one has little baggies to sort your drills and a wax. And if you haven't seen diamond painting before, I have some other videos posted on it. Go ahead and check them out. But I'll also be bringing you this video, and I'll show you a little bit of how it's done. And then here are all the drills. Each one has, each little baggie has a different color in them. And some of these even have, some of them are rhinestones. And some of them are shaped. Very cool. This is going to be so much fun to do. So there we go. We have some, I bet some of the shaped ones will go on like these ferns or these flowers, and some of the larger ones. And these all have numbers on them, like the center of that flower is a 12. And then you would just use the little baggie that has the 12 on it, and then stick those there. So each one of these has a number that matches a corresponding baggie. I'm so excited to do these bags. I can't take it. And this is a good, like a vinyl. It's very heavy duty feeling. I really like it. I think this will be fun to do. So we have the diamond painting, and we have the butterflies and the star charms, and the foam, the glitter foam, and also the glitter paper, or the glitter cardstock. I'm so excited to make some projects using these items and share them with you. I'm so excited to be bringing you projects using these items that I got from CoBeads. I will put links to all of these products in the description box below. Please go check out CoBeads and let me know what some of your favorite items are. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll be doing 2 more videos using these products, and I think you'll want to be notified when they come out. If you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafteria, I would love it if you would join our crafting family over there. Everybody there is so wonderful and friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.